Welcome to the Imaginary Numbers Guide. Human mathematics started simply with counting, but as our problems grew, so did our numbers. We invented negative numbers to represent debt and fractions for division. But what happens when we step beyond the familiar number line? We enter the fascinating realm of imaginary and complex numbers. These aren't just mathematical curiosities. They are the fundamental language of the universe, unlocking everything from the microchip in your smartphone to the quantum mechanics governing reality. Let's embark on this visual journey. Let's start with Section 1, the root of the problem. For centuries, mathematicians were blocked by an impossible equation: x squared equals -1. If you multiply a positive by a positive, you get a positive. A negative times a negative is also a positive. So what number squared could possibly be negative? The great minds of the 16th century decided to just imagine a solution. They defined the square root of -1 as a new fundamental unit, calling it I for imaginary. This wasn't a mistake, it was a mathematical revolution. Section 2. Anatomy of a complex number. A complex number is a hybrid, combining the familiar real world with this new imaginary dimension. The anatomy of a complex number follows the precise structure z equals a plus bi. Here, a represents the real part, numbers we use every day like 5, -2, or pi. The bi represents the imaginary part, where b is a real number multiplying our imaginary unit I. Together, they form a single unified entity called a complex number, existing in perfect harmony. Section 3. The complex plane, a new map. To truly visualize this, we must abandon the traditional one-dimensional number line. Introducing the complex plane. Imagine a standard Cartesian coordinate system. The horizontal x-axis becomes our real axis. The vertical y-axis becomes the imaginary axis. Suddenly, numbers are no longer confined to a single straight line. They inhabit an entire infinite two-dimensional plane. A complex number is simply a specific point or mathematical address on this infinite landscape. Section 4. Navigating the map. Think of a complex number exactly like a point on a map. In our structure, z equals a plus bi, a tells you how far east or west you need to travel along the real axis. The bi tells you how far north or south you must go along the imaginary axis. For example, to find the number 3 plus 2i, we start at the origin, walk 3 units east, and then 2 units north. This intuitive geographic analogy transforms complex algebra into simple geometry, making navigation highly visual. Section 5. Real-world applications. You might ask, why do we care about imaginary numbers if they are just on a map? The truth is, they run our modern technological world. In electrical engineering, alternating current or AC circuit analysis relies entirely on complex numbers to manage voltage and current phases. Signal processing in your Wi-Fi and the very foundation of quantum mechanics via the Schrödinger equation absolutely depend on the mathematics of complex numbers. They are the invisible gears of the modern era. Section 6. Addition as translation. Let's look at operations, starting with addition. When you add two complex numbers, you are essentially performing a translation on our map. If you take a complex number vector and add another to it, you just place the second vector at the tip of the first. It's the exact same principle as vector addition in physics. You add the east-west real parts together and the north-south imaginary parts together. It's a simple, elegant geometric shift across the complex plane. Section 7. Multiplication and rotation. The true magic of complex numbers shines in multiplication. While addition is translation, multiplication represents rotation. If you multiply any complex number by I, you are geometrically rotating that point exactly 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. Multiplying by I twice rotates it 180 degrees, which is why I squared equals -1. It flips the direction completely. This rotational property is why engineers use complex numbers to model waves and oscillations. To conclude, the anatomy of a complex number, z equals a plus bi, isn't something to fear. It's just a beautiful set of instructions for navigating a two-dimensional mathematical map. Understanding this unlocks advanced physics, engineering, and a deeper appreciation of the universe's geometric structure. References: An Imaginary Tale, The Story of the Square Root of -1 by Paul J. Naheen, and Visual Complex Analysis by Tristan Needham. Thank you for exploring the math with us.